Hey, what's up, everybody? I'm at the shop on Saturday morning as usual. I have a lot to get done this weekend. The holiday season has begun. Holy cow. So I got an order for a custom bow staff. This is 72 inches long, 1.25 poplar. It's going to get stained, and the stain's going to dry. Then it's actually, this one's going to get tung oil over the stain. I got a different stain for this one. And then it's going to get a red center cord wrap. I've got two Monkey King cudgels that I'm making because I've sold a couple more of those. A whole bunch of Uwara. Got some black walnut, Colme, red oak. I'm making some longer Uwara out of these three. This is Padauk, purple heart, yellow heart. A couple bone knives. Making some pine swords for a craft fair. These little toy swords that I make. And then I got a pair of Hanbo that I'm making just because I've sold some Hanbo. And that's what I'm working on this weekend. Oh my God. As always, link to the shop is in my bio. Warrior Arms and Props. I am out.